Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mel and this is going to be the very first video and probably a few videos about this pink bathroom. So those of you who don't know, my husband and I just bought a 1959 brick ranch home and we did a little home tour, so feel free to check that out if you guys want to see what the whole house looks like. But now we're working on our renovations and the renovation list is very long, but I'm trying to tackle a few things at a time. And one of the first things I want to tackle is this pink bathroom. I have been wanting a pink bathroom and a vanity for a long time. So the fact that this pink bathroom has one built in is just, I'm very excited. The first order of business today is to get these stickers off of the tub. I have no idea how to remove these. I've never removed them before. I watched a few YouTube videos and this is what they suggested that I use. All-purpose white vinegar, goof off adhesive remover, Dawn dish soap, some rags, and a plastic putty knife. Let's get cleaning. I went ahead and filled my basin with some of the vinegar and took my rags and placed them in the vinegar and let them soak for a bit. I then took these soaked rags and placed them into the tub on the stickers and let that sit for about 30 minutes before I attempted to try to scrape them off. Okay, we have the stickers off the bottom of the tub. It's looking great, but there's a lot of old sticker gunk that is yellow and discolored, and it's actually so gross. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this product a try. I have not used it before. It was not what was recommended in the YouTube videos I watched, but hey, I couldn't find what they did recommend, so we're gonna try to make work what we have. Okay, so on the goof off, it says apply directly, allow it to penetrate for a couple of minutes, and then wipe off with a clean absorbent cloth. That sounds too easy to be true, but let's give it a shot. Yee, it's working. Now that I got all that sticker gunk off, I want to deep clean this tub because there is a bunch of extra just normal tub gunk that has built up for probably a while that I want to clean off. So let's go ahead and get to that. So the solution I'm using to clean the tub is just normal dish soap and vinegar and really hot water. And I'm going to use one of these little angle brushes to really get into those corners. And then I also like to use this type of tool to really get in and clean out a lot of the extra gunk that might be around. I have to admit that this microfiber cloth is really doing some work on this grout grind. Very impressed. It's working better than my scrubby tools that I normally like to use. And look at that, right? It's like really getting out that grime. But the butterflies are off. The tub looks fantastic. It is super clean and sparkly. I love it. It's exactly what I was hoping would happen. I was so happy with how that goof off worked. I thought it was going to be a fail, but it was a total win. So definitely will be using that product in the future anytime I have any goop or sticky adhesive residues I need to get off, regardless of how old it is or how long it's been stuck. It worked great on this tub. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this first part of the pink bathroom restoration project here. And it's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of work, but I'll sure to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.